Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Just ran up the stairs and I'm out of breath because, yeah. Anyways, I am refinishing my table here. Many of you guys watched me build this table, I don't know, 3 years ago, something like that. And I put a finish on it, which was just dumb. I was lazy. I wanted to have a good quality looking finish without any brush strokes, so I just bought a whole bunch of lacquer spray bombs. And I did the table in that. The finish is just worn off where the kids are seated, whatever. As well as the table is just scratched. So we're gonna have to do some repair work on the wood, steaming out some dents. The first things we wanna do is remove the finish. So what I'm doing is I've got a whole range of discs for my 6-inch sander here, and I'm starting with 100 grit. Then I'm gonna go to 150. And then 180, 240, and I'm gonna finish with 320. I wanna have a real nice, smooth finish on this. Just wanted to take a second to let you know what we are up to at the Maker's Mob. Hey, you guys.
Oh, God.
Maker's Mob is now hosting weekly live events
Where you can learn and engage right alongside some of YouTube's top makers.
I think the community is extremely important. We learn from each other, we grow from each other.
Whether it's how to finish a table or how to sell your projects for what they're actually worth.
Designing furniture, using hand tools,
or even just what's going on with the makers.
Come and hang out with us online and talk shop.
My name is Jimmy DeResta.
Third Coast Craftsman,
My name is Jesse DeGeese.
Just click the link in the description below
and join me live.
Join me live
at the Maker's Mob.
We'll see you there.
All right, so even after the steaming, you can see the amount of damage on the section of the table here where my autistic son likes to smash everything that he has in his hands. But I think if I just sand over this again, steam it again, and repeat that process a couple times, eventually it'll draw all the dents up and we'll get rid of them. Well, she's all finished up, guys. All in all, that took me about 8 hours of work. I think I did about 2 half days sanding, and obviously the finishing part took a very short amount of time because you just rub the finish on and then wipe off any excess. Just wanted to take a second and let you know what we are up to at the Makers Mob. Myself and the other makers have been pumping out projects now for a couple of years, and we've decided that we want to take a different approach now, and so we are going to be doing weekly live events just to be able to engage with you guys more, answer your questions, allow you guys to just come and hang out with us online and talk shop. If that sounds intriguing to you and you want to get a little closer look into all of our lives, our daily lives, sign up and we hope to see you on some of these live weekly hangouts. Till next time, Samurai out.